Good morning, dear students. This is your English class, and today I'm gonna discuss with you the use of preposition. So, first of all, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to some other part of the sentence. It means preposition ਉਹ ਵਾਲੇ words ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ sentence ਵਿੱਚ use ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ and ਇਹ noun pronoun and ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ noun phrases sentence ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ use ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ sentence ਦੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ part ਦੇ ਨਾਲ link ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. So students, we will start this lesson with the use of in, at, on. Three main prepositions: at, in and on. Students, we use at to represent specific time like hours, 12 a.m., 3 o'clock, 6 p.m., specific location and address like at Charles Street, and we also use at for most specific time. For example, meet me at midnight. The flowers are bloom at Easter time. इन्हां दोनों सेंटेंस विच असीं एट यूज़ किया बिफोर मिडनाइट एंड ईस्टर टाइम. ईस्टर टाइम एंड मिडनाइट स्पैसीफिक टाइम हो स्पैसीफिक टाइम आ जिन्हों कि एट ने एट जिहड़ा आ वो लिंक करता पिया आ. सो इट टॉक अबाउट स्पैसीफिक टाइम. Second one is on. Students, we use on with days, weekends, streets and avenue. Specific. So at jada on we use shorter and more specific period. Jede more specific period hunde but hunde shorter are. For example, days, weekends, and we also use on with locations like street, avenue. Third one is in. We use in with centuries, decades, years, months, weeks, city and country. For example, he lived in New York. New York ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ इन लगाया सी. न्यूयॉर्क एक कंट्री आ. सो इनू लिंक किन्ने किया? इन ने. वी लिंक न्यूयॉर्क विद द यूज ऑफ इन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द बोर्ड. देयर आर 10 sentences and you will fill preposition in, at, on. Your first sentence is, I will read it tonight dash home. Do you live dash a house or an apartment? She grew up dash a farm. I read about it dash the newspaper. The dog sleeping dash the carpet. The information is dash on the top of the page. He is swimming dash the river. The plant is dash the table. Frank is dash holidays for 3 weeks. Look dash the top of the page. Students, ये जड़ियाँ तुसी preposition use करनियाँ in, at and on. ते इन्हां sentences नूं तुसी खुद fill करना है. That's all about prepositions. Revise it at home. Thank you.